For a 10 kilowatt residential air handler unit rated at 60 amps, the electrical setup involves several key components. Firstly, the electrical line should be a 100 amp rated electrical line running from the electrical panel to the outdoor disconnect switch. Secondly, in the electrical panel, a 100 amp circuit breaker is needed to protect the circuit. This breaker safeguards against overcurrent situations, preventing damage to the wiring and equipment. Thirdly, a 60 amp rated outdoor disconnect switch should be located within sight of the air handler unit. This disconnect switch serves as a safety measure, allowing for easy power shutoff during maintenance or emergencies. For the conduit, it's recommended to use 1-inch trade-size rigid metal conduit or electrical metallic tubing for the electrical line and disconnect switch grounding conductor. The conduit provides physical protection for the wiring and helps to maintain a safe installation. The wire should be a 4-conductor, number 4 American wire gauge THHN wire. This includes 3 black hot wires and 1 green grounding wire. The THHN insulation is heat resistant and suitable for the intended application. For grounding, a copper grounding rod should be driven into the earth at least 8 feet deep. A grounding wire, number 4 American wire gauge THHN, is connected from the rod to the ground bus in the electrical panel. Another grounding wire, number 4 American wire gauge THHN, is connected from the ground bus to the outdoor disconnect switch enclosure. Proper grounding is crucial for safety, providing a path for fault current to return to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing electrical shock hazards. Additional considerations to keep in mind are: firstly, the air handler unit may require a separate circuit for the control transformer, which is typically 24 volts alternating current. Secondly, the disconnect switch should be located on the exterior of the building, near the air handler unit for easy access. It's important to note that all electrical work should be performed by a licensed electrician in accordance with applicable electrical codes to ensure safety and compliance. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and local regulations when installing electrical equipment.